Hello, everybody. Inasama konnichiwa. Again, my name is Arnold Diazrin, your Japanese language teacher. Watashi no namae wa Arnoldo Azurin de gozaimasu. Anata tachi no Nihongo no sensei desu. Today, I'm going to discuss to you the Japanese language vocabularies. Nihongo go-in. So we're going to have your body parts and symptoms, etc. Karada no buo to shouju nado o go shoukai itashimasu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Dewa, hajimemashou. Okay, karada no buo, or we have the body parts. Karada no buo. We have your atama, your kao, mimi, your me, your mayoge, me, mayoge, hana, kochi, kochi, and adiko. This one is your adiko. And your hair, kami. Okay, your atama, kao, mimi, me, mayoge, hana, kochi, adiko. We have also kubi, your neck, your breast or chest is mone, your shoulder, kata. Again, kubi, mone, kata. Your arm, ude, your elbow, hiji, and your hands, te. Again, ode, your arm, hiji, your elbow, your hands is te. Now we have also your leg here at the back, at your foot, leg, ashi, and your knee is hiza. Okay, that's first parts of your body. We have also zoki, your internal organs. Okay, so for your lungs, the one used for breathing, your lungs is hai. Your liver, kanzo. Your heart, shinzo. Your stomach, i. Okay, your stomach, i. Your pancreas, soizo. Your kidney is jinzo. Your intestines, your small intestine is shocho. And your large intestine is daicho. And your bladder, buko. I repeat, hai for lungs, shinzo for heart, kanzo for liver, i for stomach, jinzo for your kidney, suizo for pancreas, shocho for your small intestine, daicho for your large intestine, and for your bladder, boko. Okay, next is your fingers, yubino shiro, okay, finger top. Okay, first your thumb, oya yubi, and your hito za sashi yubi, okay, index finger, hito sashi yubi, nakayubi, this one, your nakayubi, okay, middle finger, And kusuri yubi is your ring finger. This one is your ring finger. And koyobi is your little finger. Again, thumb, your oyayobi, itosashi yubi, nakayobi, kusuri yubi, and your koyobi. That is your fingers, okay, type. Okay, yubi no shoroi. Okay, let's go to the next. Your mouth, inside your mouth. Of course, your lips, kuchibiru. Your mouth, kuchibiru. And your gums inside. Gums is your hagumi. Kuchibiru, hagumi. Okay, this is your front tooth, maeba. Front teeth or front tooth, maeba. Then back tooth means okuba. And your tongue, shita. Okay, I repeat. Kuchibiru, hagumi, maeba, okuba, and then your shita. Okay. Okay, next is your bodily functions. Okay. If you have haching, kushani, that is sneezing. Okay. Shikuri hiccup, you slowly. This is shikuri hiccup. Haching, that is your kushami. Then unara. If you're farting, unara. Okay. Then if you want to have pee, oshikko. Oshikko. Okay. Then akubi, yawning. So yawning and hiccup is different. Okay. Hiccup is you're breathing some air. Okay. And then ibiki is you are snoring if you sleep. That is ibiki. Okay. Then burp is geppu. You finish eating, then you have your burp. Gep. And then if you want to go to the toilet and you want to poo, that is called onko. Onko means your poo. Okay. Next will be your shoujo no shoroi, symptoms type. Okay, symptom types. If you are sick, you know what is your fever, netsu, giri, diarrhea. Okay, jutsu if you have your headache, and cough, seki. That is your cough. So if I have fever, you will say netsu ga arimasu. Netsu ga arimasu. Giri da ga dimasu. I have diarrhea. I have headache. Headache is atama ga itai desu. Atama ga. Atama ga itai desu. I have cough. Seki ga dimasu. Okay. Again, fever, netsu, giri, diarrhea, jutsu, headache, seki, cough. So I have fever, netsu ga arimasu. I have diarrhea, giri, oshimasu. I have headache, atama ga itai desu. I have cough, seki ga dimasu. Okay. Next is you have your stomach. Stomach is stomach ache is fukutsu. Fukutsu. Then if you have your runny nose, hanamizu, and if you are dizzy, you have your numan. So if you have your stomach ache, onaka ga itai desu. Onaka ga itai desu. I have stomach ache. I have runny nose. I have runny nose. Hanamizu ga dimasu. Hanamizu ga dimasu. I feel dizzy. Numai ga shimasu. Okay, I feel dizzy. Numai ga dimasu. Again, fukutsu is stomach ache. Hanamizu, your runny nose. If you feel dizzy, that is numai. Numai. I have stomach ache. Onaka ga itai desu. I have runny nose. Hanamizu ga dimasu. I feel dizzy. Numai ga shimasu. Okay. If you have this question, doshimashita ka? What happened to you? I am sick. You say, watashi wa byuki desu. Watashi wa byuki desu. Please call the ambulance. 救急車を呼んでください。救急車を呼んでください。Please bring me to the hospital. 病院へ連れて行ってください。Again, どうしましたか? What happened? 私は病気です。救急車を呼んでください。病院へ連れて行ってください。ありがとうございます。Okay. So that's the end of my video. So please subscribe for more videos. Okay. Thank you very much. You can also please share. Please click the bell. どうもありがとうございます。また今度のビデオを見てくださいね。ね。ありがとうございます。またね。バイバイ。失礼します。失礼します。